Okay, if the audio is not great, I apologize. I'm using the mic minis, and I got it set up probably too close to my mouth. But we're doing kind of a test. I bought some 20 mil spacers or risers for my handlebars. See if I can deal with some of the arm pump I'm getting. They feel pretty high up right now. I should have warmed up a little bit before I started moving that hard. It feels all right. Definitely making the handling a little. And then it was kind of feeling like my elbow was dipping a little bit more than normal. So just got to get used to it, keep my elbows up. It feels all right. I think I need to mess with the suspension probably a little bit more. Yeah, definitely in the seated position. I can move the handlebars a lot more. Ooh. See? That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, I'm still gripping too hard. Yeah, I'm not sure what I need to do. I feel like I'm just hanging on too tight. And oh yeah, I don't remember if I mentioned my memory shit. So I did get a new helmet, which is why I'm using the mic mini. Just a cheap like $70 helmet. Trying to get some airflow because it's a bit toasty out today, and the Shoei is actually pretty heavy for this kind of riding. So try to keep it light. I can move around a lot more, and it's not as like taxing. I'm bad at that turn. Yeah, I'm not sure if I need to increase the rebound, because it's like going over the whip sections. I definitely notice like when the bike comes out in front of me, like I feel like I'm kind of reeling it back in, so it's taking like, I don't know, a bunch of tension. It's not super smooth. Ah. That was terrible. Alright, this will show how kind of pathetic this jump is, but the run up for it is dog shit, so. Alright, this is that hard turn. Here's a little close-up-ish perspective. It's a pretty hard turn, so it's pretty sandy, like down in the center. It's got a fairly sturdy berm built up, so I should be able to press into it pretty well. But yeah, I'm dog shit, so I don't know how to do that exactly. But that little turn I did just now didn't feel too bad. So yeah, I'm not too sure. Anyway, be right back. Let me see what's up this hill. The front does feel a little floaty, like it's not getting the best of traction. But that could also be all of the extra input I have on the handlebars since I put the risers up. So I'll end it here. I'll probably keep riding for a bit. I'm not gonna do much else really. Too windy for the drone, and I'm probably gonna keep the suspension where it's at for now. Ride that for a bit, and then if I need to change it, I will. But yeah, I'll call it here. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.